I'm like, ooh, what is that? What is he doing? I'm like, that stuff look amazing. I can make money off my phone. I don't know. Let me wait a couple more months. And it was like ups and downs. Like I was struggling a lot. So that's why I decided to get a team. I want to become a full-time trader. So I need help.
Hi everyone, welcome to Forex League YouTube channel. My name is Honzino, I'm support for Forex League and you are about to watch another interview with one of our lifetime members. But before we go ahead, let me show you what is lifetime membership so you are going to understand what are we going to talk about. So this is our full course membership that includes rapid signals, 2 strategies and funding. 4 weeks are swing strategy, that is what Nick is teaching on the trainings that we have with our members, and the second strategy is intraday that I am currently using and can help with to our members. And the funding, we can include funding to our membership because we own a pro firm which is currently leading in the industry. You can see more on the website, so definitely go and check more information there. So this is all about the membership, and let's go start the interview. Hi James, welcome. Good to have you here.
Hey, nice seeing you. How you doing?
I'm good. Excited to hear your story. So let's go into it. What is your story? How did you find out about the Forex?
Well, first, I just want to say my name is James Williams. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. And I found out about Forex back in 2019 through a friend. I started trading as soon as I seen him because he was showing his profit. I'm like, ooh, what is that? What is he doing? I'm like, that stuff look amazing. I can make money off my phone or the laptop. So I was like, I got to sign up. I got to see what he's doing. I jumped on his team and he was part of I Am Academy.
Ah, okay. So you were already part of the academy, right? So how did you find about the Forex League and what makes you sign up with us?
I found out about y'all on YouTube. I was watching y'all for a minute and I also saw Blake's video as well. And I was watching YouTube. I was like, I don't know. Let me wait a couple more months. Let me see how they're doing later on. So I seen payouts and everything. And I'm like, I got to jump on that. Let me stop procrastinating. Let me just go ahead and do that.
So how did you learn Forex before? Did you self-taught or you had a course with the academy?
Yes, mainly I was doing it self-taught at the beginning and it was like ups and downs. Like I was struggling a lot. So that's why I decided to get a team for somebody to teach me because I wanted to be the best I could be. Like I wanted to become a full-time trader. So I need help. Needed some help.
That makes sense, right? As you have experience with previous course and our course, what is the differences? How is our course in compared to others?
Personally, and this is just my opinion, I like in the course, like specifically on the course, I like how y'all break it down in detail. Like that's like the most important part to me. Because as I looked on YouTube, even through the courses that I took in the past, I couldn't find the information that I needed to become a trader.
What would you suggest the course? Like was it more for the beginners or more for advanced traders?
Y'all have both. Like y'all break everything down to the T. Y'all have beginning videos. Y'all even have what is Forex. Like y'all take it completely back to the beginning. And I like that. I like that because a lot of people need that.
What about the courses? Like, could you talk about more of that? Like, how about our strategies in the course?
Yes, mainly I went to the market structure video. Even in the past, a lot of people explain the market structure video down very differently, but I like how y'all have certain videos, the way that the market structure video, y'all break it down in detail. You're like, okay, this is for here. Y'all use the trend line. This is for here, and this is how you use it. And then like even the fib video, like I didn't know that you could change the numbers on the fib. Like I just didn't know.
Nice.
So I was using the fib wrong and I didn't know.
Good lesson. As I understand, you are using the swing strategy, right?
Yes.
Have you looked into the intraday strategy?
I have in the past, to be honest. I had used like the Ishimoku Cloud. I used the VWAP. I think that's the name of it. I had used a lot of different strategies in the past. They work here and there, but they didn't work for me. Right now, I just trade market structure and I realized that's been my winning strategy overall for me.
That's important. Yeah, that's why there is like 2 strategies in the course so everyone can choose what suits for the trader. That's good. Next thing that is included in the membership is the rapid signals. Do you have any experience with that?
I sure do. I took a few rapid signals. Like most of the time, I take my own trades, but the rapid signals are good, especially for beginner people and they don't know how to trade. They can just easily take the signal. You'll break it down from the stop loss to the TP, where to enter at. And that's perfect for somebody that, especially if they don't have time, don't have a lot of time on their hands, easily see a signal pop up on their phone, they could take the signal right away.
Right. I see. Yeah, we don't usually recommend to the like complete beginners because you still have to like manage the trade kind of, right? See what you're doing. Like you should keep it as a learning tool. Look at the signals, see what is telling you where to buy, where to sell, and find like the reasoning behind it. So that's what we are suggesting. All right. So funding. Every member has opportunity to take free challenge every 30 days. How about you? Did you take some? How did it go?
Mainly, when I took the free challenge, I think I remember taking a US 30 signal, but mainly I had a certain goal that I wanted to hit like a day. Like I probably want to make $200 or $300 in a day. So mainly I was just sticking with that process, just trying to aim for my goal and get out the market. Because you know how the market do it. It's backfire.
Yeah. I was asking about the funding, the Forex League funding.
Oh, the challenge went great. Yeah.
How many you took and how many you passed?
So at the beginning, I failed a couple of challenges. After I studied, that's when I passed.
So you passed it, right? Get the standard challenge. How the standard challenge went?
It went very good. I thought I couldn't meet the quota, but get in there and you knock it out, you could definitely meet the quota.
Right. So did you pass it?
Oh yes, definitely passed.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So you got funded already.
Sure did.
Oh, nice. Congratulations. Happy to hear that. So another funded member. That's great. So what is the next plans? Will you focus on a funding challenge, or will you start with the Forex League challenge again and merge the accounts?
My plan is to merge the account, not right away. I'm gonna focus on trading my live account right now, and then I'm gonna take a step back, take the challenge again. So I definitely would like to merge the account. That'd be great. That'd be a big step.
Yeah, that makes sense. I would do the same. Pass the one, make some profit, make some withdrawal to make sure I'm gonna cover my expenses. Then continue again with the free challenge and merge it and always. Happy to hear that. Generally, regarding to the membership, what do you feel like it's the most beneficial for you?
The benefit is I bring it back to the education, because a lot of prop firms, they don't offer the education. They just most of the time you pay for the challenge and you still don't know how to trade. So eventually you'll have to pay for another challenge again. And the best part is like how you'll have the lifetime membership. For me, I was failing challenges. I'm just imagining like all the challenges I failed, and I would have paid like every time to take a new challenge. I eventually would have lost a lot of money.
Yeah. So did you purchase some challenges before?
Yes, I have.
Right. So you spent some money, right? What about some live accounts? Did you trade your live accounts?
Oh, yes. I lost a lot of money in my live account. Oh my God. I probably lost a house worth.
Oh, really? Damn it. Sorry to hear that. That's why this is the great opportunity, right? You pay, you get in the membership, we teach you how to trade, you have 2 strategies, and you get funded, right? Once you get funded for free, you can get a withdrawal and you can make actually more than you pay for the membership, right? Easy. And that's how you build up, right? Yeah. No more failing live accounts, blowing accounts or failing challenges, buying again. And that's what you are trying to do here. Next question would be, how do you combine trading with your school or job?
Most of the time I would get up like during London session. I would trade like most of the time during London session because I have to be to work at 8 o'clock. And like even with I could trade on my job as well because I'm a truck driver. So I could always my fairly always next to me so I could look at it at any time. And sometimes I would close my trade when I get to work and I'd be like, oh, this is a good trade. Let me stay in it while I'm at work. And I would close it like while I'm on the clock. But that's one thing I like. If I'm able to look at my phone and trade and not have to close out or put my phone somewhere and leave a card while I'm at work.
Are you using the alerts, right?
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Most people does it. Yeah. Analysis in the morning or during the week, set the alerts, and then during the day when the alerts is signaled, then they are checking the phone and executing the trades. How your trading day looks like, alerts or sitting on a chart. We just explained it, right? How about a back testing and journaling?
Yes, I used to back test all the time. I haven't done it really frequently, but I'm going to start back testing again because it just makes you a better trader when you back test. You always need to back test and make sure your strategy is on point every time.
Yeah, right, exactly. So have you watched the back testing videos in a course?
I watched half of it, to be honest. I haven't watched the whole thing.
Yeah, so we also like teaching how to back test, especially me. Our members know I'm a huge fan of back testing and journaling. So this is something I'm showing and making currently more videos about how to back test, how I use the sheets, back testing sheets, and so on. So it's gonna be added to the course too soon.
Right. I remember all the videos, group calls and stuff. I like your back testing strategy. It's amazing. It's a wonderful job. I appreciate everything you're doing.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, it's really crucial. If you will listen, like the best traders, they always keep saying like back testing and journaling. You need to have a data about your progress, what you are doing wrong, what you are doing right. Focus on what you are doing right. Try to fix, eliminates to what you are doing wrong. It's all about if you don't have a like journaling or anything information, it's hard to make a progress.
Right, and a journal is a good thing too, because I do write my trades down, like what I made or what I lost or where I messed up at.
Yeah, exactly. Happy to hear that. Let's talk about the psychology. So you mentioned you took the free challenges, you passed few, you failed few, now you passed one, you get funded. So how was the psychology behind the process? Failing few, then pass, then working on a funding challenge and getting funded.
It was really the discipline. I had to be more disciplined because at first I was being like, oh, I can this in one day. So let me try to make it in one. Real life, that doesn't.
Not that way, yeah.
You got to take it slow and be consistent. That's the only way you're honestly going to win.
How was your psychology difference between free challenge and the funding challenge? Did you feel some different?
Yes, the free challenge and the funded challenge, it was just like a step to take it to the next level. That's basically what it is. It just take you to the next level.
Right. Were you adjusting your risk management or everything the same?
No, I adjust my risk management because in the free challenge, you can't just come in there and over leverage and think you're going to balance. Because that's how I felt multiple times trying to do a $2 lot on a random trade. Didn't even do it on a random trade and I lose the whole account. Can't come in with that mindset.
No, that's not the way. Right. So what's trading taught you?
It taught me a lot of things. It taught me how to be disciplined. So it also motivates me in a way, like, especially when I lose and I go back and be like, okay, where did I lose? How much did I lose? Like, okay, let me go back and try to make my money back. And most of the time I do make my money back. So it taught me a lot.
I see. So how do you educate yourself about the psychology and keep being motivated? Because you mentioned like you started like 2019, right? You fail, like you blow account, you fail challenges, but you never stop, right? So what makes you like keep pushing and keep like being motivated?
I just like starting for more personally. And I also look at YouTube motivational videos. It helps me out a lot. It gets my thoughts, my everything together. It gets everything, all the information and all the motivation videos. And it gets me back right on track where I need to be.
Right. We do that a lot on our members webinar. So members are coming on a webinar, especially when they have like some like, emotional or psychology like struggle. They don't know like what to do. And then like we break them down actually and give them suggestions. I know you joined a few times, right? The webinars. Yeah, the webinars are great for this like a psychology. All right. Last question, I guess. Yeah, go ahead.
The community group, they're always there to help you too.
Yeah,
so
right.
It's like, can't miss it. It's a plus.
So yeah, the last question would be like, what is your message for people who are thinking to join?
If you want to join, I say go for it. Don't sit back on the fence waiting and watching, because you could be having a funded account too.
We see progress, the members who are making, like the ones who are active in the community, getting on a webinars twice a week, they're making great progress, especially when they understand why they should journal trades and backtesting. It's very eye-opening for them and they great progress.
Yes, it is all the time.
Well, I think that's all. Thank you for being on. Thank you for having on and I will see you on the chat soon.
All right, have a great one.
Bye. Congratulations.
Bye. Thank you. I appreciate it.